Question number first of exercise 9.1 Algebraic expression and identities. First question is there, identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. First part of this question is there, 5xyz square minus 3zy. This is the first part. In this question, we want to find out two things, terms, you will see here, terms and coefficients. These two things we want to find out. You will see here, if we have plus or minus sign is there, so we know here in this expression two terms. First term is there 5xyz square and second term is there minus 3zy. These are the two terms in this expression. There is a number factor is there 5. Numerical factor is there 5. So coefficient is 5. And coefficient of this term is there minus 3. These are the coefficients. After this, second part. 1 plus x square. So terms are here. Terms after it coefficients. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3. Because there is plus sign. So these are total 1, 2, 3 terms. First term, second term, third term. Now you will see here coefficients are here. Coefficient and numerical factors. इसका तो 1 नहीं है. जब यहाँ x के मल्टीप्लाई में कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर हम 1 ले सकते हैं. इसके मल्टीप्लाई में 1 is also here. प्लस है तो प्लस का साइन लें या ना लें तो दैट इज राइट. यहाँ इफ देयर इज नो साइन इट मीन्स दिस इज अ टर्म ऑफ पॉजिटिव. यहाँ पर हमने साइन नहीं लिया था तो इसको +1. इसका भी कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा 1 और इसका कोफिशिएंट भी क्या है 1. तो दीज आर द कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द दीज टर्म्स. आफ्टर दिस थर्ड पार्ट you will see third part is there 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. We have here terms, coefficients. First term is there 4x square y square. Second term is here minus 4x square y square z square. Third term is there z square. These are the coefficient. Now you will see here numerical factor are here 4. तो इसका first का क्या होगा coefficient 4. And ये minus 4x square y square z, तो इसका numerical factor is there minus 4. And here numerical factor is not here, so 1 we will take here. So 1 we will take here. तो coefficient is 1. इसके बाद देखिए next is there fourth part. Now you will see here in fourth part there 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. So terms are here. How many terms you will see here in this expression? 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. First term is there 3. Second term is there minus PQ. Third is QR. Fourth is minus RP. Now you will see here coefficient. Coefficient is here. There is a numerical factor. Number क्या है यहाँ पर 3. So we will take coefficient of this is a 3. And here nothing in the multiple of the PQ, तो 1 we can take here 1. तो minus 1 becomes here. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा 1 multiply of QR. तो 1 is the coefficient. यहाँ minus 1 हो जाएगा. तो this type, this is the fourth part. Now you will see here there is a fifth part. Asking us here in this fifth part. In fifth part given us here x upon 2 minus y upon 2 plus y upon 2 minus xy. So in this expression 3 terms x by 2, y by 2 minus xy. So terms are here and coefficients. you will see here x by 2, second term is there y by 2, थर्ड इज there x y। तो ये देखिए, इसको आप इससे भी लिख सकते हो, इस टर्म को 1 by 2 इंटू एक्स। तो ये 1 by 2 एक्स का 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो x अपॉन 2। तो कोफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा इसका, न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर इज देयर 1 by 2। सेम दिस टाइप 1 by 2 इंटू वाई, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by 2। इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 2 एंड -1। So this is the coefficient of -1, third term. Sixth part is there. Asking us in sixth part 0.3a minus 0.6b ab plus 0.5b. So we can say terms. How many terms are here? 3 terms. And coefficient is there 0.3a first term, 0.6ab minus and 0.5b। तो कोफिशिएंट क्या आएगा इसका 0.3। फर्स्ट का न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर इज देयर 0.3 एंड minus 0.6, 0.5 is these are the coefficient of these terms. So this type we can find out terms and coefficient of the given expressions.